Alright guys, what is up, Monkey Investing? Today I'm going to be giving you guys some SPY and QQQ analysis and upcoming price targets and news for the next week. Before we go ahead and get on over to SPY and QQQ, we got to look at the market data for the next week. So as you can see, on Monday we don't have anything super big. We just have a speaker speaking after market close. On Tuesday we have the home price index, which is something to watch out for. That's an area of interest in the markets currently. Wednesday we have US pending home sales, and we have a Fed speaker speaking during the market hours, so make sure that you are watching your open positions. On Thursday we have jobless claims, and we also have this GDP pre-market, which is going to be super important. Make sure you guys watch out for this, see any pre-market levels that were created during this time, and definitely use those to your advantage. On Friday we have the core PCE index, we also have consumer sentiment, and we have some Fed speakers speaking after market, so watch out for those. Alright guys, moving on over to QQQ, we can see a general trend here being formed of higher lows, higher highs. So as you can see, low 1, high 1, low 2, high 2, low 3. We're trying to make a high 3 over here, but we did not quite get over this level. As you can see, this level was a previous resistance that was shown previously in the market, a big area of supply. As you can see, we had a big move down once, tried to push up to it, got rejected again, third time. So I think that this level is going to be very important in the market. I think this is going to be a determining factor in whether or not we're able to push above, create new highs, potentially reach this area of up to 332, 334 right here. If I can mark it, there we go. So this level right here seems very important. If we can break this level, this supply zone right here, I think we're going to be able to push up to this level, potentially see some more positive price action. We're also holding above the 21 moving average here, showing that we're in more of a bullish area, as we did have a run up last week. So as long as we're able to break through this level right here, we will see more direction to the upside. But if we do end up rejecting off of this level right here, I think we can probably expect a pullback to one of these zones right here for a possible bounce. Looking at the Fibonacci retracement from last week's low to high, it's probably going to end up being around this 299, 300 level right here that we are going to see a bounce, as well as it being a psychological level. That's definitely something to keep in mind. Alright guys, looking at SPY now, we kind of have a similar pattern being formed here, but as you can see, there is a difference between QQQ and SPY. Normally in the past, you've seen SPY and QQQ kind of follow the same path, be in the same directions at the same time, but we are not seeing this right now, and I think this is a result of the bank problems going on right now and the collapses. I think people are more happy and feel more safe moving more of their assets over to tech like QQQ instead of keeping them in bigger industries like SPY holds. So once again, we can see this higher lower pattern being formed here. SPY is just lagging a bit behind. So for SPY, going into the next week, we do have a Fibonacci retracement at our previous 400 and 404 level that we have rejected off multiple times in the past. As well as this, we do see, I do not think that SPY is going to reject off this 400 level as much as it is going to reject off this 404 level. Now, as you see, we rejected once off this 404 level here at a big move to the downside. We came up again, rejected at another big move. We tried to push up to it, but got rejected before we even got up there. So yes, this 400 level is strong. We did have a couple of rejections off it, but this 404 level is a much bigger line in the sand and marker that tells us where we're going to go in the market. And looking at this 21 MA as well, we see that SPY is not able to hold above it. For the past couple weeks, past 2-3 weeks, we've been holding under this 21 MA and kept rejecting off of it once, twice, thrice. We even tried breaking above it, but we rejected straight under it. Now, we did end last week with a bullish candle, but do not let this fool you. We've had multiple candles like this in the past weeks, but we've just seen more momentum to the downside or upside the very next day. Now, if we do end up breaking this 400 level, which is the first stage in getting to 404, I think we are going to have some problems at 404, see some possible more rejections from there. I think that's going to be a very difficult level to break. And if we do reject off of either one of these levels, I think we're probably going to end up seeing a pullback to this 390, 385, 395, maybe one of these three levels. I do not think we're going to be coming back down to 378, as that's just way too far. And I do not think we have that much downturn and turmoil that's going to occur in the market for us to reach that level. I do think we have some strength that could come up. If we do break this 404 level right here, I think we have upside to probably this 408 and even this 414 right here, these previous highs that we did encounter in the past. Because as you can see, we have some consolidation up here, and we don't have any major resistances from this 407 to 415, so we just kind of clear shot all the way up. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today in today's SPY analysis. Watch out for these massive moves that could occur in the market next week. maybe drop a like if this helped you guys. See ya.